Dreamy Doverton, a happy home with fabulous water views and fountain. Huge deck, healthy grilling fun. Open plan with feel-good sunshine everywhere. Pinterest-worthy decorative nooks. Stunning living room/dining room, delicious gourmet kitchen with huge keeping room. Lower family room, full bath, 4th bedroom. Master suite, columns lead to floating vanity, frameless shower, 2 closets, 2 spacious bedrooms. New roof, new paint and hardwoods. Walk to shopping and dining. Minutes to I-540, I-440, downtown, to RTP. It's a fact, water and sunlight makes you happier and healthier. Why wait?